Alright, out, there's a little bit of a storm coming right there, so I just got enough to get a one more go around. This is my second flight of this today. I put the wheel collars on, and one of the collars is rough. And that's what the wheel was rubbing on, that preventing it from rolling when I had the wheel covers on, wheel pants. So I'm probably going to put the wheel pants back on because I like the look of the plane better with the wheel pants. Even though that's not bad without them. And I do fly off grass every once in a while, so I might just leave it. But I know now that if I get out my Dremel and grind on the little indents for the set screw, that I think that'll take care of what's catching and preventing the wheel from rolling. Man, look at that cloud grow. Holy cow. I can watch it grow. Yeah. Interesting. A lot of energy in that system. And it's coming this way, so shoot. So I think I'm going to be cutting this one short because I got a big old aluminum gate to lock up before I can leave. And I don't really want to hold on to that aluminum gate on a hill in a thunderstorm, so I think we're going to bring it in and call this flight a flight. Man, it's nice to have it be able to roll. Alright, man. Hope I can get out of here without getting hit by lightning. That's the first time I've been able to roll it. Well, hope you're having a good championship football weekend. I'm listening to proper football.